You never know if you can do it if you don't try. Every step forward is a bit closer to your happiness. Me be happy it's Thursday, February 13th, 2025. I'm sure you have something to be happy about today. Just give it a little time. Right now, it be 35 outside. Good morning, monkey. Good morning, owl. They resting over there by window. At also 2 degrees centigrade. On this Thursday, me decide to listen to Deerhoof song Slow Motion Detonation from their 2017 album Mountain Moves. Me like it. Cloudy today day. Wind from west. High 35. Tonight, it's dark cloudy, then clear. Low round 15. Brrr. Try something new. Turn left instead of right. Please use your signals. No one can read your mind.